Good morning, Steve Zelenato here with Treviso Realty as the office is emptying out because we are moving to the other space, which is super exciting. We'll be there very shortly. Our lease ends here in October, but we're going to get out there sometime middle of this month as soon as the internet's hooked up. Talking about the market, there's two ways of running these numbers, and I'm really thinking about it. So right now we're running the numbers like current inventory right now would be basically what's for sale and what's under contract, like contingent on finance or inspection, whatever the contingencies are. And that brings the inventory to 18,935 units, which is normally how we produce these numbers. But ultimately, I'm thinking of removing that and just having active listings, because reality is when I got a buyer in town that wants to see a property, I'm not going to be showing him a property that's under contract. It doesn't make any sense to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate that. My thought process in the past was if it was on MLS, then it's current inventory, but at the same time, it's not available property. So once we remove the properties that are not available to view, let's just say because they're under contract, we're at 16,590 units available here in Southwest Florida, which is damn good. It's shaved about 2,400 units off for how we calculate units in the past. And sales will remain the same. That's 531 closings in the last 7 days, which is great. And then we'll move that over to Estero. We're at 518 units available for viewing right now, with 26 closed in the last, let's say, 7 days. Again, sales slowed down. Clearly, we're in summer months here, especially here in Florida. So nobody feels like working, not even myself, to be honest. It's a drag to get in the office every day. But again, we are still moving. And at the same time, we're a lot of preparation going into what we have to do regarding our business. We are hosting a webinar in the first week of July with another brokerage up in Ohio. So we are busy in that sense. We're rebuilding. We're obviously looking for employees as well. So we are rebuilding the businesses. We did sell our property in Cape, so that's I'm going to have to spend some time on that, where we want to allocate that money, and also how Treviso Homes looks in the future. Obviously, we want to put more shovels in the ground, which is the plan. And let's move on to rentals, because obviously we have a property management company, rental properties, but also at the same time, we have a lot of clients that have purchased investment properties that need renters, right? So right now we have, over the weekend, we have Verdana Village moving quickly. We just leased out another property. We took possession last week. So we had 3 properties there in a row. They were little scenic models. My client bought all 3 properties, which is fantastic. And so the middle unit, we rented that out prior to occupancy, 30 days prior, which is awesome. We had a contract signed. Legally, I don't know, we haven't taken possession, but again, we kind of pushed it through, and that's, again, we're street hustlers. You got to make deals, right? And in order to make deals, you got to be creative. And at the same time, your clients, what's the best case scenario is to have income prior to occupancy. It's the dream, right? You bought an investment property, it's already got a tenant in place, a signed contract, and you're going to get income from day one, which is no money lost. So this is a fantastic way of doing it. Second property we just leased over on the weekend, and we've had that. We've taken possession about a week and a half, 2 weeks now, maybe less. We had about 3 to 4 showings on that, and then on the weekend I locked that up, which is great. And now we're taking possession. We took possession of another one on Friday. We haven't listed it yet because we're going to have to shoot photos for that property this week. But again, this is going well. We've capped them at $3K per property, but at the same time, I think this third unit, we're going to jump up the price maybe to like $3,150 to $32, kind of like, let's see, pressure test the market, see if we can make a little bit more money for our clients, since we've hit them out of the box real quick on the other 2 units. And are we underpriced? No, because you can get into like a Trevi model, which is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, single-story, double-car garage, for like 3,200 to 3,400. So we're at 1,600 square feet, and that's 2,030 square feet, so 400 square feet less. And we're basically going to try to get the same pricing as, let's say, of a Trevi. So that's pretty cool. Another community that I've been pushing a lot of clients as well, because we have one community we heavily focused on as well, and I have rental properties in there at the same time. But the thing is swelling. So we've had probably the last 5 buyers. I've been trying to push them all to this other community. A few listened. One gentleman listened. He has one in each side of these communities, and we've signed a deal. Again, haven't taken possession of the property, so we're going to have a great tenant going forward. We're going to try to wrap this puppy up very shortly. Today we have the the walk, let's say the walk going through the property. At the same time, we close at the end of the week, and we have already a tenant signed. Not to mention, we're getting $2,600 a month for this property. It's like record breaking. This client's going to do so well on this, because I was actually looking at the comps yesterday, or on Saturday rather, or Friday. When did I do the deal? Friday. Kind of see the value of what the other landlords and realtors leased out their properties at what price, and we killed everybody, to be honest. At $2,600 for the unit that we have, for what we paid for it, we paid about $300K, I think it was, and we're getting $2,600 a month. HOAs are low. This is I gotta run the numbers, but it's gonna be probably, let's say, $400 to $600 in cash flow per month, which is fantastic. This is again, amazing client, amazing opportunity that he listened to us, our advice, clearly secured it, and now he's gonna reap from the benefits of hanging out with Treviso Realty. But that's pretty much it. We are excited. We're gonna get some TVs today. We're heading off to the office. I've been obsessive, so I think I've wore out Joe DeMarco with text messages with items. He stopped responding, so he's done. He's exhausted, but we're taking the lead there. I got an electrician and carpenter going now. We're going to build out that little podcast area there, which is great. And again, so 1,700 square feet, just shy of it. We're trying to utilize every space, and it's like logical thing to do is like your boardroom you can create down to a beautiful podcast room, but then you lose the boardroom. And boardrooms are very important, especially when you want to, get away from your desk and chat with the team, kind of bring up some, more explosive and creative ideas. You need that area. And also when clients come in, it's nice to have that area. So what we're doing with this is the reception area where the admin is. So she's going to have her own desk as well, like the reception. And then in front of her is like a waiting area. So that waiting area, we're just going to basically customize that section and get that all prepared. So it'll be a dual function. So waiting area and also podcast areas, which is fantastic. And yeah, it's very exciting. We have a few more things to do there, and away we go. But that's pretty much it. Oh, happy Father's Day to everybody as well. I might do another video on this as well, because I don't think we get enough credit, or we don't give ourselves enough credit as fathers as well. Have a great day.